Good morning once again and welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. In this video we would want to start explaining handling data 6, and we start with example 1 of IGCSE 9-1 Mathematics A. And in this video we are talking about Ella records the time of 40 phone calls, and results are shown in the table on the next page. Now that table that is supposed to be in the next page has been brought to this page, and it is actually this table. Show the results on a bar chart. We know, let's first of all study the table. The table is talking about the time or the duration of phone calls. Those phone calls which took between 0 and 1 minute were 2 phone calls. Those phone calls that took between 1 minute to 2 minutes, 5 phone calls. 2 minutes to 3 minutes, 8 phone calls, and so on and so forth until 7 minutes to 8 minutes, only 2 phone calls. There is nothing here. To 7 minutes to 8 minutes, 2 phone calls. And the question is, show the results on a bar chart. Bar chart is the easiest representation of data diagram that we can have, because it picks the raw data the way it is and simply transfer that to the graph. For example, we talk about 0 to 1 minute, we have 2 calls. We just 0 to 1 minute, we have 2 calls. So that is the first bar. And then 1 to 2 minutes, we have 5 calls. 1 to 2 minutes, we have 5 calls. So we have that kind of a bar. And then 2 to 3 minutes, we have 8 calls. 2 to 3 minutes, we have 8 calls. There we go. 2 to 3 minutes, we have 8 calls. That is the bar we are talking about. And then 3 to 4 minutes, we have 9 calls. Just rise one step above. This is the fourth bar. 4 to 5 minutes, we have 7 calls. This is the number of calls, the frequency, which can also be the number of calls. That is actually the frequency, which is also the number of calls. This is time in minutes. And the title of the graph can be probably duration of calls. Let's give it duration of calls. We can have that title. Then going back to the table, 4 to 5 minutes, we have 7. 4 to 5 minutes, we have 7 calls. So the frequency is 7. 5 to 6, we have 4. The frequency is 4. And then 6 to 7, we have 3. 6 to 7, we have 3. There we go. And 7 to 8, we have 2. And this is just 2. And we end it there. That is basically how we are expected to answer that first question. Follow me and let us see what happens as we continue to understand the topic. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.